Hey all, Bear here. It's Tuesday, it's time for some camp cooking. And this week we're going to do some Christmas stuff because it's after Thanksgiving and it's December. So we're going to do this almond cranberry rice pilaf right here. I found it on the old Food Network. Here's their ingredients list. Here's their instructions. And this is what I've got. I'll leave you my measurements down in the description below. I've got some butter, some onion, the almonds, cranberries, rice, chicken bouillon, parsley flakes, black pepper, water. We got the new cook kit. We're going to try it out. Let's get to cooking. There we go. Fire. Something I did at home this morning was give this cook kit a pre-wash. Anytime you bring new cook gear home, you want to give it a quick wash. Let's see, I'm gonna need some of my butter. And some almonds. We're gonna toast them up in the butter there. Woo, don't burn them, Bear. Messing with the camera. Now we're going to reserve these because we want them to maintain their crunch. We don't want to cook them in with the rice. We need the rest of our butter. Get in there, butter. Come on. Now if you didn't want to take butter with you on your backpacking trip, you could take some ghee or some oil and do this. You just need something to saute the onions in and toast up the rice a little bit. But we'll get to that. Now I forgot to mention it last week, if you can see in there or not. There's little measurement marks. I'm going to measure out my water. Now if I was backpacking and I wanted to use fresh, I would use a shallot in this case, so I didn't have to carry around a little piece of chopped onion. Or I would use some minced dried onion. Probably about a good tablespoon of the minced dry onion, or one shallot. Once my onion starts to get kind of translucent, we're going to go in with the rice and start toasting it off. Do you ever toast your rice before you cook it? Put it down there in the comments. It adds a little something special to the flavor. Alright, I'm going to go in with the cranberries. My water. And we need our chicken bouillon in there. Since I'm using this bouillon with a lot of salt content, I'm foregoing using any other salt in this recipe. Alright, we're starting to get a simmer, which is all we need in the end anyhow. So I'm going to turn that heat back. And now we're just going to hang out for like 15 minutes. Lid on. Alright, well it's been about 15 minutes. Let's give our rice a check and see what we got going on. Oh yeah! Do a little doneness check. Now we got to mix in some parsley. And the black pepper. Our reserved almonds. Oh yeah, I think we should bowl it up. Heck yeah. Of course, if I'm at camp, that's my bowl I'm eating. Oh, what do you think? We need a final little dash of parsley to make it purty. We got Christmas rice, y'all. I mean, would you come on? Look at that. That's just pure awesomeness. It's gonna be so good. All right, looky here. I got my gingerbread Mountain Dew, my Christmas Mountain Dew to go with my Christmas rice. Oh, it's awesome. And it's so easy to do at camp. Well, look here. We'll see you on the trail.